nice.
Look at midges.
Yeah.
Hey David, push the pay now button please.
What's this for?
Yeah.
I don't even know what I'm paying for. You're making me paying for shit.
Oh, look at that! You just bought me another Apex. And I'm on the stack. The new one.
Literally.
Literally. Wait up, wait up, wait up. Where is it? Oh, wait up. We'll try and find the...
Buying it from Buzz FPV.
Because the only ones with Apex.
Whoever's got it in stock, man, I don't give a fuck. Just give me my hit.
Yeah, good try. I don't know if I can find it. No, I can't find it. Yeah, so Davis has bought me another Apex base frame and a Mamba, the Dshot 1200 one.
1200?
The 1200 one. Yeah, because I want the 32 bit, I don't want fucking S. Fuck S!
That's alright. Honestly, I can't tell the difference between Dshot 600 and 1200.
I got out of it too.
I saw you in the waterfall. I saw you coming down a long, long way in your barrow. I saw the fear and the lust in your eyes. Fall in love. I saw you in the waterfall. I saw you. Yourself, you said it was an accident, and all that I can do is hope you're okay. Are you? And I hear your parachute exploding against the wind.